Hello everyone, I am doing this tutorial on the Shana one piece. I found this pattern on Etsy. It's the Shana Bodysuit. I will put the link below for you to purchase this if you want to give it a try yourself. Right now it is on sale, so you might want to grab that. What you can see that I'm doing right now is I am cutting out the pieces. I fold my fabric in half. I place the bodysuit pattern on top of the fabric and cut it out. I just cut out the front, and now this is the back piece. Each pattern comes with sizes small to 2XL, I believe. It might be 3XL. And it comes with 3 pieces, a front, a back, and a gusset piece. Right now I am attaching the front to the back. At the side seams, I'm also going to sew the top together and take it over to my serger. Here you will see I am sewing the sides, the bottom, and the top. You may want to use thread that is the same color as the fabric. I did not find that necessary as I was going to fold over the fabric to hem it at the end, so you will not see it from the outside, only the inside, and this is not reversible. Here I am adding the elastic. This is the part that took the longest. After I finished adding the elastic, I went over to my sewing machine and I did a zigzag stitch to cover the thread and the elastic, which I did not show in the video, but that was the last step before completing the Shana bodysuit. And here is how it turned out. So beautiful. This is the Shana bodysuit. If this video has provided you with any value, please like, subscribe, and share. Also follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.